Hey, good morning. Don here from Super Blast. On my way to job number 1. It's 8:12 a.m. Tuesday morning. And the first one's going to be a house wash with a small porch. Second one's going to be a small driveway, which I'll hit on the way home from that. Then I have a pool cage where I'm hoping to show a little bit of a demonstration on the jet tip from my buddy over there at Flamingo Pressure Washing, my buddy Cliff. And then I got another sidewalks and the gutter in the road. So it's going to be a pretty light day, but pretty good ticket for the day. Anyway, you know what to do. Get after it. Okay, now that we got the front of the house done, the porch and the other side, we're going to go ahead and knock the driveway out, the sidewalk, all the way around the back there, and get after it and get her done. Now we got the driveway done. All we got to do is rinse it off. Came out real nice. Sidewalks are good. Front of the house is good. We'll be done with this job in about 15 minutes. We'll be back. I'll demonstrate how we get the black off the front of the house. We'll be right back. Okay, let's watch the magic. You see how black that is up there? It's very gray, dingy. See how black it is all the way back up there? Okay, let's check this out. Downstream. Basic downstream, okay? That's going to go from gray to white very quickly. Bam. Look at that. There you go. A little bit of downstream goes a long way. All right, let's hit this back piece here. Watch this. See that? How black it is? Oh, it won't be for long. I'll hit this. The window's clean. Get the screens all clean. All the garbage comes out of there. Look at that. All right. Now look at that. Looks like brand new again. And it's just that easy, man. Downstream, brothers. Get after it. All right, let's have a review of the job. The job only took 45 minutes. So that's a good day right there. 180 bucks in 45 minutes. Driveway looks great. Soffits are nice and bright and white. Windows are clean. Sidewalks clean. Soffits clean. This is the part that really makes people smile right here. When you look up here and you see nice new white soffit. Everything's nice and new. Everything looks fantastic. All right. Looks really good. And the porch came out really good, and it's just that easy. I'm Don from Super Blast, and that's a wrap. I'm Don from Super Blast. Have a new customer here. Colleen, what do you think about Super Blast?
Well, Don really does a good job. You need to call him. He's really good at what he's doing. I highly recommend him.
There you have it. Proof's always in the pudding. Thank you so much, Colleen. All right, Don here, Super Blast. Got this driveway to do. Up around the corner over there, just a little ways down. I was able to upsell the side of the house over here, so we'll jack this ticket up. Gutters are moldy, and this sidewalk has to get done. There's mold around here. See how that gutter is? The gutter is in bad shape. It just hasn't been cleaned in a while. So all that's going to look good. You see it up there. All right, I'm done. Let's get after it. Hey, Don here. Let's have a look at the job. Driveway came out great. Gutter in the road to the property line. All the way around here. Went ahead and hit this gutter up here too. This lady's a regular customer over like 6 years. So a couple little extra things ain't gonna kill you. I didn't get crazy though. And I went down the side that we discussed, and here she comes to check it all out. All right, let's go down and check this out. All right, all the gutters came out nice. Everything looks good. Sidewalk looks good. All that mold's gone up there. Look at that. It's even got a little shine to it down there. I'm Don, and that's how you do it. Get after it. Don from Super Blast. I have a regular customer here, Nadia. This is like our 6th year doing business. What do you think of Super Blast?
Wonderful, the best man to do the job.
There you have it.
In time, good price, and he bring lunch.
How about that? Have a great day.
Same to you. Thank you.
Get after it. Hey, Don here. You know, having a very satisfying, pleasing day with very happy customers. I'm able to add on to the jobs today. I got some nice tips today, so everything is going good. Now we're off to do a pool cage, and hopefully I have some black stuff that I can demonstrate this jet rinse tip off for a couple guys out there in the field that are using brushes when they downstream. Downstream is great. And it does work if you have the right tips for the challenge sometimes. Sometimes that black stuff is hard to get off, but with this tip I have, ba-boom, it comes right off. All right, I'm Don. Let's get after it. Hey, Don here. Here we are. There's the rig. It's called Follow the Yellow Blue Hose. We're off to see the wizard. The Wizard of Mold. Alright? It's the Wizard of Oz. I'm the Wizard of Mold. And I get after it. Alright, we got green screen. You can see it. See the tent? I can see it. I don't know if you can or not. This is a pool cage and it's got green. Mr. Green Screen. See it? There it is. That's all the way around. Alright, we got some green up there. Put this floor down. Not too bad. Got rust. I don't know what that is. We got mold in the screens. Alright, let's get after it. Okay, down here, that's a wrap. Check it out. Looks really good. Nice. Just a little oxidation. All right, get after it. All right, let's have a look at the screens. Check that out. What a big difference. The green screens are gone. We have the happy homeowner, just got home. So we're gonna see how happy that she is.
I'm happy, are you saying? It looks amazing.
Oh my God, these are great comments. What does it look like? It's amazing.
It looks amazing. It looks, honestly, it looks 10 times brighter.
It does.
So what do you think of the homeowner here? What do you think of Super Blast pressure washing?
Fabulous.
Fabulous?
I would recommend you to anybody.
Yeah, definitely recommend.
It looks like you took a layer off our eyes.
5 out of 5
It's
stars for
beautiful.
sure.
There you have it. Proofs in the pudding. Get after it. Did you see that? Did you see how happy those ladies were? You know, that's my job, man. Making people happy. What could be worse or better than that, right? I don't know. You could be miserable or you could be happy. Get after it.